Hi first graders! We are going to continue what we were learning yesterday with our new vowel digraph sounds. So we've been working with EE and EA. We learned that both of these digraphs make one sound and they both sound like E. So we put a line under both of them when we code them because this helps us remember that they are digraphs. Remember, a digraph is two letters coming together to make one sound. And the sound that they make is the E sound. You'll notice that both of these are vowels. And when they are both vowels, we call this a vowel digraph. And with a vowel digraph, you also learned in kindergarten that when two vowels go a-walkin', the first one does the talking. So that's the letter we're going to be looking at. It's making that long E sound, but we don't hear that second vowel. It just does the walking. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of work with this E sound with phonemic awareness, which means something you can do with your eyes closed, but we're going to keep our eyes open and focused. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of rhyming. I'm going to give you a word, and I want you to rally robin back and forth some words that rhyme with that, okay? The word that I'm thinking of is the word meal. What's the word? Meal, okay? Rally robin back and forth words that rhyme with meal. Meal, feel, seal, peel. Nice job. All right, so hopefully you had some words that rhyme with meal. We might have even had some that were the same. If I look at the word meal, I can see that it has a word family. My word family always starts with the vowel sound. So my family in this word is the eel family. So all of the words that we had rhyming with meal also had the eel family. One of the words I chose was seal. So meal and seal both have the same family, eel. And remember that rhyming song that Miss Rodriguez taught us? Meal, seal, these words rhyme, these words rhyme. They have the same ending, they have the same ending. Meal, seal. Nice job. All right, let's do another one. Okay, so get your brains ready. The word is sleep. I say, you say sleep. Sleep. All right, rally robin back and forth words that rhyme with sleep. Okay, sleep, sheep, keep, deep. Nice job. So all of the words that rhymed with sleep had that same ending word family. So let's look at the word sleep. What family is in the word sleep? Starts with that vowel. Our family is the eep family. So sleep was one word that we used, and then another one that we used was sheep. You know that they both are rhyming words because they have that same family at the end, the eep family. Sleep, sheep, these words rhyme, these words rhyme. They have the same ending, they have the same ending. Sleep, sheep. Nice job. Hopefully you're singing with me. I'm not able to hear you today, so I'm hoping you're working with me hard too. All right, so we're going to do a little bit more with our phonemic awareness, and we are going to do some of that muscle time that we learned this year too. Okay, so I'm going to say a word, and then we're going to be deleting or taking away the beginning sound. Okay, all right, say sleep, say sleep. Give me the sounds in sleep. S, l, e, p. Say sleep without the s. Now you have leap. Say feel. Say feel. Sounds in feel segment. F, e, o. Say feel without the f. Now you have eel. Good. Say sheep. Say sheep. Say sheep without the sh. Now you have eep. Okay. Now we're going to do a little bit more of a challenge, taking away that ending sound. So this time we're going to take away the last sound you hear in the word. So I say, you say feed, segment feed, feed. Say feed without the d. Fee. Nice job. Say seal, say seal without the ul. See. Okay, let's try it again. Say meat, segment meat, eat. Say meat without the t. Now you have me. All right, now we're going to do some changing. We're going to manipulate those sounds, and we're going to change the middle sound to a different sound. Okay, say feed, segment feed, feed. Change the E to A. Fade. Nice job. Fade. Say peel, segment peel, P-E-O. Change the E to O. Now you have pole. Last one, say sheep, segment sheep, sh-e-p. Say sheep, change the E to ah. We have shop. All right, now we're going to do some visual auditory. You're going to need to do some say it, slide it, write it. Just like yesterday, I want you to grab 5 items that you can use for your sound chips. Something small. So we could use dimes or pennies. You could use small erasers, maybe some little Hot Wheels cars, something that won't distract you, but something that you can use to represent each sound in the words. If you don't have those materials with you right now, you can pause the video and go grab 5 small items that you can use. And you will also need a whiteboard and marker or a pencil and paper. Pause the video if you need to grab them. If not, continue on with me. The first word, we're going to be working with the EE digraph first. There is no spelling rule to help you know whether to use the EE or the EA. So the more practice we have with reading these words, seeing these words, writing these words, we will learn which words have the EE and which words have the EA. But for now, there's no spelling rule. So we'll just do lots of practice with them to help us know which words use which digraph. So we're going to start off with just the EE digraph. Okay, so the first word I want you to break apart, get your sound chips ready, lined up in front of you. You're going to break apart the sounds in speed. Break it with me. S, p, e, d. How many sounds did you hear in speed? 4 sounds in speed. Okay, now I want you to build the word speed on your whiteboard or with your pencil. S, p, e, d. How many letters made the word speed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 4 sounds, but 5 letters. That's because we have a vowel digraph. 2 letters coming together to make 1 sound. So EE makes the E sound. Okay? If I am to code it, this is what it looks like. Now, do you have to code your words every time you write them? No. That's to help you signal if you're reading a new word that you do not understand. That helps you to read that new word. But it's always great practice to help you get it in your mind of what those 2 letters sound like. Okay, so we have the word speed. How many syllables are in the word speed? Break it with me. Speed, speed, 1 syllable. Now, what if I wanted to add a suffix that means it's happening right now? My friend is down the road. What would you add? Did you write speeding? ING means it's happening right now. Break apart your sound or syllables in speeding. Speeding, speeding. 2 syllables. All right, nice job. All right, erase your whiteboard if you're working with a whiteboard. Clear off your sound chips for your next word. We're going to continue using that EE digraph. Your next word, break it apart with me, is meat. E, t. Build the word meat. E, t. How many sound chips did you use for meat? E, t. 3 sounds. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters, because we have a digraph, and a digraph is 2 letters coming together to make 1 sound. It makes that long E sound, and you don't hear that second E. How many syllables are in the word meat? Meat, meat, 1 syllable. Okay, I want to add a suffix that means it's happening right now, but it's not suffix ing. This suffix is suffix s. Still happening now. It doesn't mean more than 1 because this is a verb, something you can do. So I might say, she meets me at the store. Now, does this add a syllable? Meets, meets. Still 1 syllable. You need a vowel suffix to be able to make your chin drop. And S does not have a vowel in it. So this does not add another suffix or syllable. All right, erase your board. Next one. If you're using a pencil and paper, you don't feel like you have to erase it. Just move on down the paper. Last one with your EE digraph. Get your sound chips ready. The word is cheek. Break it with me. Ch, E, k. How many sounds? Ch, E, k. 3 sounds. Go ahead and build that one. I'm going to build it on my own because I want you to try it without seeing my board first. Are you ready? Think about which k sound you would need to use. Remember, CK comes after a short vowel, and E is not a short vowel. I know that the C at the end comes after if there's more than 1 syllable. Cheek, cheek, just 1 syllable. So that means we're going to need to use a K for the end. How many sounds were in the word cheek? Ch, E, k. 3 sounds. But how many letters are in the word cheek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did that happen? I know I have my vowel digraph EE, 2 letters coming together to make 1 sound. But why is there still only 2 other sounds, but 3 letters? Did you see it? We have a consonant digraph that we already know, CH. 2 letters coming together to make 1 sound. Nice job. What if I wanted to add a suffix to make this plural? 2 cheeks. Suffix S. Nice job. All right, erase, erase. All right, we're going to get a little practice with that EA digraph. It also makes that E sound. We're going to work with EA, okay? Your first word, get your sound chips ready, is the word treat. Break it with me. T-er-e-t. Treat. Now, some of you might have wanted to say ter-e-t. But remember, ter is not a digraph making 1 sound. Ter, though it blends well together, it is a blend and it has 2 sounds. T-er. Okay? So let's build it.